Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to fix your Steam Deck that is currently stuck in a verifying installation boot loop. Now the quickest way to do this is to factory reset your Steam Deck. Now this will erase all of your games, it will erase all of your user data, and you will have to sign back into your account, and you'll basically have to set it up as if you just got it. Now to do this, you press the power button and the three dot button here for a few minutes, for a couple seconds, until the boot logo of the Steam Deck shows up, and then you let go, and then you should go into the SteamOS menu. You should let go when you hear the sound of the doot when you start up your Steam Deck. That's when you should let go. And now go to erase user data from Deck. Now it'll tell you erase games, accounts, passwords, and networks from Deck. Go ahead and press A. It'll ask you for a confirmation again. Press yes. Now my theory of what is happening here is this is a bug with an update that for some reason corrupted the verifying installation file. That is my theory here with the user data, that it corrupted your user data with some sort of update or something that happened. I know you guys are going to be searching for a solution for this video, so I hope my video finds your way into the recommendations if you need help with this specific issue. Now as you see, it will take a few minutes for it to actually factory reset. Now if you don't want to factory reset, this is the only possible solution that I have that will work. There's the only solution that works as of right now. Every single time I try to find a solution, I finally am like, because I couldn't figure out how to get into that menu where I could factory reset, and I figured it out. It's a certain button combination. We had to hold this one and the power button, not this or this, this and this. And as you see, you're gonna have to set it up, and I'll just do my time. As you see, I'm now connected to my Wi-Fi, and as you see, you're now back into Steam. That is how you fix Steam boot looping if you're having the verifying installation bug on your Steam Deck like I did. This is the solution that worked for me, and it should work for you as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if it helped you in any way to fix your Steam Deck issue like it helped me, also make sure your Steam Deck is fully charged. Just in case it shuts down while it's doing the recovery, then you might really screw yourself over. So make sure your Steam Deck is fully charged before doing this. I know I'm saying that and mine isn't, but you know, just in case. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if it has helped you, please leave a like down below, and please subscribe for future tutorials, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.